would give a brief about the UPSC exams.
Some officers.
Admission and I just graduated, but I just.
There will be 3 phases of the exam.
Different events of national and international.
Which subject?
The people who do not pass the MCS examination, it's simple.
I've just completed my MSc in botany from
And got posted as assistant.
So this is the prelims examination will have.
master in political science from NAHO, and they are
Of course, for
Would give a brief about the UPSC exams.
some officers.
Admission and I just graduated, but I just.
Which subject?
I've just completed my MSc in botany from University.
Okay, where we can have during our time it's mainly the optional subjects which we have, plus the general knowledge, English, the general aptitude and all, but this time will be quite different. Okay, so even if you go through the past question papers also, I mean you won't be having, especially the Meghalaya part. So just give your best for those who have applied and who are free, who are still sitting at home, just focus your time on studies only. See, like every year, thousands and thousands of students graduate. Okay, so it adds up to the already existing number of graduates that we have. Okay, so you have to be quite serious, start preparing. Read everything, newspapers, they are a must. Daily you have to read the newspapers. Then you have you have your smartphones with you. You can access the entire world with the help of your smartphone. So use your smartphone quite wisely, judiciously, and always have that hope that I can always deliver. Pass the exams. So with these few words, I'd like to end my session. Just remember, like the life of an MCS officer is really a life where you can really serve the society, where you can really contribute. I mean, like we are blessed to be MCS officers, where we can really help the people in whatever capacity. So thank you very much.